talking very weird because I have my bands in for my braces, and I can take them off, but I don't want to put them on during nighttime because then I feel like I can't breathe. So this is gonna have to do. So today I'm gonna be doing an unboxing of my Melt Cosmetics bundle. I honestly was debating on whether or not to get this, and I think I ordered it maybe on Tuesday because I think I was going into TJ for the braces, and it is Thursday, so that was the quickest shipping ever. I don't know if it's maybe because they're not as popular or something, but anywho, I got mine. It was $75 because I got the bigger one. So let's unbox it. Oh shit, let's unbox it together. Alrighty, so I got a sticker. This here sticker. Very well wrapped. Okay, so, ooh, I got a puff. So it's the large mystery bundle. It came in this green like velvet pouch. It says Melt on it. It feels like luxury. I already see 2 items that I'm pretty sure I already have one of them. Burnish, yeah. So I have this one already, the Ultra Matte Gel Liner in Burnish. Oh goodness. How can I open these quicker without ripping everything? Okay. It's like that maroon shade of their liner. This one was my favorite of the shades that they have. And then I have a Metal Bond Gel Liner. The other one was an Ultra Matte, so I don't know what the hell. Metal Bond, I'm assuming that it's just not matte, it's metal, and this one's in the shade Penny. Even the box feels really soft and velvety. Let's see. I have to check whether or not I have that burnished one still. I know I did, but I don't know if I still do. So, oh yeah, so that's that one. Kind of looks like the Nightmare Before Christmas one that I got. So let's go into the little package here. Ooh, thank goodness I didn't buy. Okay. Yay, I see a palette. So I got the Smoke Sessions palette, which I don't have. So that was one of the reasons why I was contemplating on getting Melt. I do have some of their things. Like I think I have 2 palettes, the Bailey Sarian one and I forget the other one, but it's like it's not the rest. It's oh my goodness, I'll have to look at it to see which one I have. Ooh, ooh, right there. That's pretty. Okay, so that's the first item. Oh Lord. In Sunburst, this one here. It's quite orange. Let's swatch. So that's the shade. Holy moly. I can't say I've ever used a shade like that, but hey, I know I don't have one. I got a blush light. Oh, that's good because I don't have any of them. So I got it in Sundown. Do they still even sell these? Oh, is it a pink one? Oh, it is. That's pretty. Oh, geez. What is this? Is it a cream? No, I think it's like a blush topper. It's like pinky copper. Is that what I'm seeing? So that's that one. Okay. This is what I thought it was. I got a cream blush light in the shade Polished. So I think this other one's just, I mean, it says blush light. I think this is just a powdery like blush topper, and this is the cream blush topper or blush. So Polished. It's a pretty color too. Oh, come on. Ooh, yeah, that's pretty. So let's go in. Oh yeah. It's this one right here. Obviously, it's not gonna be that one. Nice. Okay, so far I'm liking everything. I mean, I just don't know where I'm ever gonna use that, but hey. Yes, I got the Supernatural Lash Mascara. I've been wanting to try this also. I love mascaras. I have currently in my little Lazy Susan, I have like 5 or 6 of them. Ooh, I'm gonna be giving that one a whirl. It's so heavy. It reminds me of the Too Faced packaging, the Greater Than Sex one. That's the packaging it reminds me of. Oh, I bet you it's gonna be a color that doesn't go for me, but I had wanted to try these the Sex Will liquid highlights ever since they came out, and I never did. So this is the shade Peaches and Cream. I'm thinking it's gonna be too bronze for me. Yes, of course. So that's what it is. Or maybe it shears out. I remember Rose and Ben saying that it sheared out a lot for her. This was a while ago. Ugh. Damn, so much came out. Yeah, that's not my shade. Kaleidoscope body. Oh, is that it? Yeah. So I got some body glitter pot. I don't know when I'd ever wear body glitter, but now I have the option. Whoa. It's a big, just gonna, oh, it's very pretty. I mean, I guess for the summer, right there. Put it on my like neck or something. Oh, and it dries and it stays in place. So good to know, good to know. I wanted the petite stacks, so I got, they had like a little bundle. They are so tiny though. So I got the bundle. I got the what are they called though? So I got the neutral browns and the warm browns, these tiny little things. So I got them for when I go to New York. Oh my god, they are so little. So this is the, what is it called again? The neutral browns. So it's made out of cardboard. Oh, they do have shimmers in there. That's a shimmer. I think it said, oh, it says glint on it. Tawny, Almond, Cafe. Oh, okay, those are the names on it, or the names of the shade. Oh, how pretty. Yeah, I feel like these are super convenient for my travel bag. Could even use this as like an eyebrow shade right there. Perfect. So that's the neutral browns, and then I got the warm browns also. How stinking cute. That's that one right there. Nice. That's the shimmery one. Let's see. Very nice. Ooh, there's another dark shimmer right there. Ooh. I'm so excited. Well, these are very pretty. I'm glad I got these. Definitely taking these with me. That is my unboxing of the mystery bundle from Melt Cosmetics. Overall, I am happy with the bundle. Like, I liked what was in it. The only thing, it's not that I'm disappointed, it's just I can't use this one here because the shade. But everything else, except, I mean, obviously maybe not the body glitter as much, because again, when am I really ever going to use that? But like everything else, the cream blush blush light, the powder blush light, I feel like I can use that. Yeah, the matte lipstick, it did dry down now that I'm touching it again, so that's cool. But it's so bright. Like, when am I ever gonna wear that orange color? But the eyeshadow palette, I wanted that one, so that's good. I see it as a win. So is it worth 75 bucks? I'm pretty sure, because the palette itself is probably like 50 or 60 bucks, and these things are like 20 something. I'm sure this is like 18 or 20 bucks. So yeah, and I know this one was pricier. So yeah, overall, I'm very happy with my purchase. I will be using these things later on, just, you know, whenever I get to it. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As far as my giveaway, I did already get the winners, and I've shipped that out and everything, and they should be getting their prizes. So thank you to everybody that participated. If I do hit the I'm not gonna say 200, I'll say 300. If I hit the 300 mark of subscribers, then I'll do another giveaway. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video, comment, subscribe, do all the things, and let me know which one to see next, and I will be seeing you guys in my next video. Bye everybody.